Are you guys using lot of intimate area hygiene products to keep your intimate area or vaginal area clean, but still getting vaginal irritation, itching and all? Then let's discuss about this today in our video. Hi everyone, I am Dr. Malvika Appasani, cosmetic and functional gynecologist from Eternal Aesthetics, Hyderabad. So as we all know, vagina is a self-cleansing organ and it has some natural vaginal odor and natural vaginal discharge. But still, when we try to keep the intimate area clean by using lot of products like either sprays or cleaning vagina internally, that's called vaginal douching, or by using any intimate powders or just body soap for intimate region, all these stuff change the pH of the vagina, and also they get vagina rid of the good bacteria which is helping to protect vagina. So this is called overly cleaning of vagina. Or sometimes some people have other issues like under cleaning of vagina. That means absolutely no cleaning, no touching the part, and because of lot of sweat also there might be symptoms like vaginal irritation, vaginal redness, lot of discomfort and even swelling. So all these things might lead to lot of vaginal allergies, which might finally lead to vaginal infections also. So it's very simple to keep the vagina clean and healthy. Just by not overly doing, just using intimate washes once a day, that too while having bath, only for the external use, no cleaning of the vagina internally. And please make sure not to use any intimate sprays or any intimate powder or even any overly hygiene things like Dettol, etc. to clean the vagina. And yes, please do not forget to use breathable cotton undergarments so that the intimate area is dry and clean. It's very important also to maintain intimate or vaginal hygiene during menstrual cycles, that is menses, and also after and before sexual intercourse as well. And finally, the immunity of one's own self is very important in protecting their body from external bacteria. So good nutrition, well-rested body, doing that half an hour of exercise every day will take you long run. If you need more information about vaginal hygiene and how to keep the vagina clean and healthy, we can come up with a new video explaining in detail how to maintain vaginal health. So if you wish to, please comment below so that we can revert back to you. Do like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon for further notifications.